Citrus was born 7 years back with the vision of creating and bringing this beautiful art and craft of India to the world. Our main collection of Citrus is a very classic collection of scarves, where we have most of the scarves are very plain, simple, hand woven, and they have a beautiful pom-poms.
Citrus, when it basically goes with a product, the first thing is we have to go to the origin of the product, that is where it is coming from in terms of design, in terms of the craft, in terms of tradition.
A hand spun yarn has absolutely a different feel, a more soft feel than any other machine twisted yarn. It's not a mechanized motion, it's more step by step by step. So the whole story is like a song, you know. Shantipur weavers or Fulia weavers are the finest weavers the generations have seen.
So the printing scarf that we are doing, we go to the village where this art is alive, where the artisans have the art which has been passed by their earlier generation. We really do not want a piece to come from an origin and then take it to a mechanized form, which will destroy the total sanctity of the product.
Actually, when the design process starts, it's almost like a whim, it's almost like a fancy. It is like catching a butterfly, just running in the garden. So it's always that something is entering my mind, and I keep inspiration from that. I keep on tagging lines, I keep on adding elements to it. I collect various elements which excite me, which makes me more happy, you know. Shrirampur is an obvious choice. It's like a printing village of India. They have a lot of people who are engaged in block making, people who are engaged in screen making. So you would get a lot of artisans doing various aspects of screens and block very easily on the side.
The character of the handprint is each piece is a piece and a signature piece within itself, because when human hand is involved, the human touch is there on one side, and the other side, it makes one piece little different from the other, because no two individuals can be the same.
So one of the specialty of Citrus is the use of these fabrics. We have been using a lot of blends, mixing silk, cotton, linen, silk, silk with wool, silk, linen and wool. So creating these interesting blends and creating a product which is soft around your neck, which is what you would like to snuggle in, is one of our basic aim. We have every season a fresh palette of romantic colors. In spring especially, we have a lot of fresh colors like the aquamarine, the blues, the oranges. When we go to winters, from stormy grays to the pale grays, to charcoals, to washed out blues, the intense depths of wines. So the color palette is actually evolving from every season. I would say the products which Citrus makes are more apt for European markets. It's more easy to carry this kind of scarves and the kind of patterns which we make in a more cooler countries. As we progress from scarves, we have small embroidered stoles. We have some very beautiful scarves which are with beautiful necklaces attached to it. So these are like new concepts, you know, adding the fabric and creating fabric necklaces. So these new concepts are a part of Citrus collection. Apart from that, every season we design some flowers, some brooches. So this looks like a real flower in your hand, and it's very romantic. We do some soft brooches with stones, so they can pep up any outfit or any accessories. And since there is so much of work, there is so much of art in this, so it's also beautiful as an art piece. You can pin it on a bag, so it carries you to a lot of places. We do some very dainty and hand embroidered necklaces, some bracelets like this one particularly, like it's each piece is handmade, and then you have a very beautiful cord which is also hand woven. For me, it's as precious as any ruby or diamond or jewel, and I would say that people who will see how the process is done would definitely keep it in their heirloom. They would definitely pass it down from generation to generation.